A day in our life as a cultural mappers.
We're going to Bulasa! A day in our life as a student of Indigenous Creative Craft and living in the
So hello everyone, we have just arrived here at Bulasa Barangay Hall and karon kayo magpapirmangi sa mga letters in order to fully conduct our cultural mapping and youth vlog activity. So what are we waiting for? Let's go!
So now we're here at Barry Quattro Furniture Shop and we're ready to meet our key informant. Let's go!
Sumayong bunta sa tanan og nana ta diri sa Barikwatyo Furniture Shop og atuan nang mahinabi si Kuya Buboy. Og karon magsugod na ta sa atong interview session. Tara na. So hi guys, we have just finished the interview together with Kuya Bobo and we will now show you kung isa ang naasa. So we have here our classmates and our co-cultural mappers and we have here our workers. So muna sila mga apprentices o mga OGT diri sa furniture shop. And we will now show you kung isa asa.
Wala ba mo yung mga pultahan, lamisag lingkuranan?
Cabinet o guban pa?
Alina mo sa Barry Quattro Furniture Shop! And that ends our journey as a cultural mappers. Until